Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. First of all, I'll show you a short clip of a couple of rather nice looking Nikko Nano VaporizRs that I spotted in the charity shop. They were £2 each, but I didn't buy them. One reason I didn't buy them was they're both 2.4 gigahertz and neither of them had the controllers. And I found in my recent experience any of these new 2.4 gigahertz toy grade toys, I can never find a matching transmitter for them or controller. So I would have to spend money converting them to hobby grade, I suppose. Or buying a relatively cheap transmitter and receiver. They're not that cheap, to be honest. The toy grade ones are about £7 or £8, in that sort of region. I might as well go straight to hobby grade. Anyway, I didn't buy them, but they do look nice. So, instead of that, what I did buy was another load of jigsaws. I have explained in previous episodes that my grandson has taken to doing jigsaws, so I'm buying them where I see them cheap. He doesn't want lots of pieces in them. He sort of struggles if he gets over about 30 or 40, to be honest, but he will get better. So these are just ones that I've spotted that have got a fairly limited number of pieces. The one that we're looking at on top of the pile here, it's a Ravensburger puzzle. They're a good make. Obviously it's Disney Pixar cars. Cost me £1, and it's a set of 3. Each one has 49 pieces. So we'll do that sometime, because obviously I've got to do them first to make sure all the pieces are there. So that'll be 3 separate videos. Usually takes me about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour to do them. So that'll be one video. In fact, if you follow my other channel, you'll probably have seen those videos before you see this charity shop gold or garbage video, because my channels are out of sequence at the moment. Next one I bought was this one. In fact, I might give this to his bigger brother, because his bigger brother is into Star Wars. And this one is 150 pieces, so it's a bit more advanced. It did cost me £1.45. It's a Marks and Spencer's branded one, so that should be a good quality one. Again, I'll have to check it, so I'll have to do it. 150 pieces should take me a bit longer though. So put that one away. Excuse me, got a bit of a cough coming on. And then these last two were actually in the special offer box outside the charity shop. This was let's start again. Children's Hospice Southwest, St Peter's Hospice. And then these last two, well, the thing that caught my eye was they were reduced to 49p each. St Peter's Hospice Southwest, I recognise that label. This one's 100 pieces, so that might be a bit of a struggle for him. And then this one, I know he was into Ben 10, I don't know if he still is. That says 260 there. I don't know if that means that's 260 pieces. If it is, that's going to be a bit beyond him as well. But at 49p, I thought it'd be worth buying anyway. In fact, I'll take that label off. Yeah, that probably is 260 pieces, isn't it? 60 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Cartoon Network, made by Treffle. Oh, I didn't say who that one was. Pressman. Again, Cartoon Networks. Oh, that's got the original label under it. Although it was a low price there. That looks like it was £1.99. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jigsaws. Yeah, pleased with that. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.